Hey everyone, it's great to be back with another video. In today's video, I will be sharing with you the top 10 best side hustles for teens. I'll start with the ones that can make you an extra $20 per day and end with the side hustle that made me over $600,000 at the age of 19. So, if you are looking for some ideas to make some extra cash on the side, then keep on watching. Side Hustle 1: Human Vending Machine. The first side hustle on our list is the human vending machine. This is a side hustle that I didn't even know was possible until my 13-year-old neighbor told me he was making $100 per week doing it in school. Basically, he would buy candy from the store and sell it to other kids in his school for 3 to 5 times the price he paid. He called it his school sweets business. If you're interested in doing this, I recommend charging 3 to 5 times the price of the candy, and if it doesn't work, the worst thing that could happen is you have to eat all the candy by yourself. Side Hustle 2: Flyer Distribution. The next side hustle on our list is distributing flyers. This is a fantastic side hustle because it's not very hard to find clients, you don't need a car, and on average, it pays $20 to $50 per hour. All you have to do is place a flyer on a house's doorknob, and then continue doing that to more houses until you run out of flyers. You don't have to talk to anyone. It's not hard physical labor, and you can listen to music while doing it. The most common companies that need this done are home repair or renovation companies, so window replacers, landscapers, power washers, roofers, plumbers, shower fixtures, etc. Side Hustle 3: Curb Painting. The next side hustle on our list is curb painting. Curb painting is when you paint people's house number on the street curb in front of their home. It's a great side hustle for anyone of any age because it's very inexpensive to start and takes no skills. All you need to do is buy the paint and stencils, which cost around $30 for paint, $5 for templates, and $15 for brushes. Once you have your supplies, you can acquire customers through door-to-door sales. My friend, Garrett, is already doing this successfully, charging $50 per curb in Utah. To start as a beginner, I'd recommend charging $20 to $25 per curb and increase your prices as you increase your quality. Side Hustle 4: YouTube Shorts Editing. If I was a dead broke teen again, this is probably the side hustle I'd start with because it'll teach you an incredibly profitable skill, allow you to build connections within the creator economy, and it's pretty easy to learn. You can do it in many ways, like editing for big creators, creating and editing your own content, re-editing famous people's videos, getting hired by a brand that edits their content, etc. I guarantee every single one of you can learn how to edit short-form content at least decently within a month, which will allow you to close some low-paying clients, and in a year, it's very possible you'll be making 5 to 10K per month. Side Hustle 5: Social Media Management, which is a great opportunity for teenagers who are well-versed in social media platforms and enjoy creating engaging content. Many businesses, both big and small, struggle to maintain a consistent and effective social media presence, which is where social media managers come in. As a social media manager, your job would involve creating and curating content for social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You would be responsible for creating posts, responding to comments and messages, and developing a social media strategy that aligns with the business's goals. To start, you can reach out to small businesses in your area or online and offer your services at a reasonable rate. As you gain experience and build a portfolio, you can increase your rates and work with bigger clients. Social media management is a great side hustle because it allows you to work from home and on your own schedule. Side Hustle 6: Pet Sitting and Dog Walking. If you love animals, this is the perfect side hustle for you. It's a great way to earn some extra cash while spending time with furry friends. You can offer your services to neighbors, family, or friends, and charge a reasonable fee for your time. You can walk dogs, feed pets, play with them, or even offer to clean up their living spaces. The average pay for pet sitters and dog walkers is $15 to $20 per hour, but you can charge more depending on the services you offer. Side Hustle 7: Selling Handmade Crafts. If you're creative and have a knack for making things, you can turn that into a profitable side hustle. You can sell your crafts on websites like Etsy, or at local craft fairs and markets. Some popular handmade crafts to sell include jewelry, candles, soap, and home decor. The key to success in this side hustle is to create unique and high-quality products that people will want to buy. Side Hustle 8. Tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject or have a passion for teaching, you can make money by tutoring other students. You can offer your services to classmates or younger students in your community. You can also advertise your services online on platforms like Craigslist or Facebook. You can charge anywhere from $15 to $50 per hour depending on your experience and the subject you're tutoring in. Side Hustle 9. Selling items on eBay or Amazon. If you have items lying around your house that you no longer need, you can sell them online for some extra cash. You can also source items from garage sales, thrift stores, or clearance sections of stores and resell them online for a profit. The key to success in this side hustle is to find items that are in high demand and sell them for a higher price than you paid for them. Finally, Side Hustle 10 is starting your own online business. This is the side hustle that made me over $600,000 at the age of 19. Starting your own online business can be challenging, but it's also very rewarding. You can start by creating a website or an online store, and selling products or services that you're passionate about. You can also create content on YouTube or social media platforms, and monetize your audience through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. In conclusion, these are the 10 best side hustles for teens that can help you earn some extra cash. From the human vending machine to starting your own online business, there's a side hustle for everyone. So, pick the one that resonates with you the most, and start hustling. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Drop a comment down below and let us know your thoughts. Spread the love by sharing this video with your friends and family. Hit the subscribe button to join our community and stay updated on our latest content. Don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video. Until then, bye.